The 9 members of a baseball team went to an ice cream parlor after their game. Each player had a single scoop cone of chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry ice cream. At least one player chose each flavor, and the number of players who chose chocolate was greater than the number of players who chose vanilla, which was greater than the number of players who chose strawberry. Let n be the number of different assignments of flavors to players that meet these conditions. Find the remainder when n is divided by 1000. Let's say the number of players who choose chocolate is C. The number of players who choose vanilla is V. Number of players who choose strawberry is S. C must be greater than V, and V must be greater than S. C plus V plus S is equal to the number of players, which is 9. Let's get the number of cases, and at least one player choose each flavor. Then S is then at least 1. Then V is then must be at least 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Then we have 6 players choose chocolate. That's the case 1. If S is 1, V could be 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then C is equal to 5. That's our case 2. And if we say 1, 4, 5, and then this has to be 4, which is not possible, C has to be greater than 1. Then what if S is equal to 2? Then V is at least 3. That's 5. 9 minus 5 is 4, which is 4 is greater than 3. That's also our case 3. We have 3 cases. It says if we have 2, 4, then this has to be less than, that's 6, that's 3, not possible. We have 3 cases, and let's calculate the number of assignments in each case. And in the first case, case 1, we can find the number of assignment using multinomial coefficient. We have 9 players, and 9 choose 6, 2, and 1 in the first case, which is equal to 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial times 2 factorial times 1 factorial, which is equal to 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial times 2. We can cancel the 6 factorial. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 times 7 is equal to 252 in the first case. Case 2, let's get the number of assignments for case 2. We have 9 players. 9 choose 5, 3, and 1, which is equal to 9 factorial divided by 5 factorial, 3 factorial, and then 1 factorial, which is equal to 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial times 3, 2, and 1. And if we simplify 5 factorial, 3 times 2 is 6. And this is equal to 72 times 7, which is 504 in the second case. And let's get the last case, which is 9 choose 4, 3, and 2. 4, 3, 2, which is equal to 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial, and then 3 factorial, then 2 factorial, which is equal to 9 times 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 3 factorial is 6, 2 factorial is 2. Can simplify. 8 divided by 2 is 4, which is equal to 4 times 9, 36, times by 35, which equals 36 times 35 is 1260. We calculate each case. Now we have to find n. N is the sum. 1260 plus 504 plus 252. The sum is, it is 6102 2016. If we divide that by 100, remainder is 2016 divided by 1000. Remainder is 16, which is the answer for the problem.